This app I want to show you to you right now. These are apps that can definitely pay you, or are apps that actually paid me big time in 2026. All right. But before I go on, I want you to understand that whatever I say right now is just basically for educational purposes. And in the case you want to try it out, you can go ahead and try it out. But always do your own research before you try it out. All right. So the first app here that I have with me is called mini pay. All right, as you can see over here now, this is a payment that they gave to me. All right, this is a new account that I just signed out. All right, I just signed up here. This app is actually paying a lot of people. You can go ahead and try it out by yourself. Now, when you sign up, because MiniPay is also trying to gain popularity, so they are giving you funds immediately you sign up. All right, immediately you sign up, they are giving you funds. So if I toggle this list now, you see it's going to show naira. If I toggle it again, it's going to show in dollar, right? This is like a sign up bonus. Immediately you sign up, you're getting this money. All right, another way you can really make money on this app, now I'm going to show you. Let's scroll down. I know a lot of you want to ask if I'm going to be able to withdraw. Yes, you can withdraw from this app. It has been proven and it has been tested. All right. So if you scroll down here, you see this place where they say daily reward. Now, look here. 8 minutes ago, I got 10 cents. All right. And I got this 10 cents because I just signed up. All right. So let's see if I click on this daily reward, let's see what's going to happen. It's going to take you to where you have claim now, right? Claim now. So if I click on this claim now, I'm definitely going to claim this figure here in dollars here. So let's click on it and see. What they're giving to you is definitely going to increase day by day. So you can also claim this. I think in 6 days you are receiving 0.006, right? And then in the seventh day you are receiving 0.010. All right. So it all depends on how you take this place serious, or this app serious. That's when you're definitely going to make more money from it. So this is just definitely going to add up and give you figure. Now look up here. It said earn extra reward if you keep balance of 50 cent. Right? If your balance is 50 cent, you're going to earn extra reward. All right. So let's scroll down and see what we have. Now look at this point here. Earn more. Finish tax on mini pay apps to receive bonus. So you have a lot of bonus to actually receive. All right. So as you can see here, I just received this one, right? I just received this one now because I just did what? I just signed in for the first day. All right. So if I come back tomorrow, I'm still going to receive this. All right. Now let's scroll down. So I want to take immediately download this app after you do your daily reward. That is when you claim here from daily reward. I want you to come down here to this button and click on this button here. Right? Click on this cash link. Now you can definitely deposit cash, share your withdrawal, share your link, and also cash received from your friends. Now they pay you to also refer. You can also refer and earn. All right. So when you refer your friends, before, what makes you qualify for you to be able to refer a friend is that you should have at least $2 deposited into your account minimum. So when you refer one friend, they give you this 10 cents. So when you refer 10 friends, you already have $1. So 20 friends, you already have your $2. All right. And you can just do this like you're referring friends and then you're making money. All right. So should the case you want to place a withdrawal, just come over here, click on withdraw. As you can see, you can select NGN, right? I'm in Nigeria, so I'll select NGN, or you can select any of the exchange. All right, so you can just put a figure here. As you can see, it's going to tell you the minimum amount that you can withdraw. Right, so minimum withdrawal figure here, minimum amount you can withdraw here is 36 cents. So definitely you can withdraw. The second app that has actually made me money this 2026 without an investment is called the Meta Viewpoint app. All right, now this Viewpoint app is an app that enables you to do tax. They give you tax every two or three days, and then when you execute the tax, they are going to pay you in points. And then when the points gets up to 1,000, you can just convert it to USDT. Maybe withdraw it to PayPal, withdraw it to a virtual card. All right, so let's go through it. I'm going to show it out to you now. As you can see here, let me show you my rewards. Right, let me see what I've actually done with it. So let's go to my history here. This is the history. I'll just have to scroll down. Okay, as you can see now here at this place here, I made 4,000 points. All right, which actually redeemed the rewards as $12. Let's scroll down. I redeem at $12. See here, I redeemed $3, right? $3. So I withdrew with PayPal also. Let's go down and see. So just this point, they give you 85 points every two days or three days, and then you can convert it to dollar. This one also, I also redeemed this one. This is a reward redeem, that is $3. And all these were actually withdraw to my PayPal account. But if you don't have a PayPal, like in Africa, you can actually withdraw it to a Visa card. They give you a Visa card. As you can see, this is it here, $9, right? And this is it here, $3. So it is just simple. But the problem I have with this app is that they don't just release their referral codes to people or referral link for you to just sign up easily. You might want to wait a little bit to listen up to find out if somebody has this referral code or referral link and the person has to send to you. If you just go and download it from Play Store, it might take a while before this app can start giving you tax. But trust me, this app actually pays very well. And then the number three app that we will be talking about, if you want to try it out, you can go ahead and try it out. It's called Meta Viewpoint. So the number three app we are going to talk about, which is the last app and which is going to shock you. So the number three app that we are about to talk about is an app that I believe you should know. All right, and that app is called Bybit. Now, Bybit is an app, probably everybody knows it, but few people would say they don't know it. But if you stay online and know how to make money online with or without investment, you are definitely you should have definitely heard about Bybit. Now, Bybit is a cryptocurrency app, but what I do basically there, I use the P2P section. We have a lot of people that don't know how to buy coins, how to buy USDT or crypto from these trading apps. You can stand as a vendor. I did it as a vendor where I was able to get coins and sell, or probably people wants to buy but they don't know how to buy. What I just do, I go to the P2P market, get the rate there. Take for example, if a dollar in naira is 1,300, right? I would definitely tell you that I want to sell for you at the rate of 1,200, and you're going to buy because you don't know how to trade. So when you accept that I buy it for you, I take 100 naira per dollar. Sometimes it's 15 naira per dollar, sometimes it's in cent, right, per dollar. But what if somebody wants to buy up to like $1,000, $20,000, and the rest of them, or maybe $10,000, $5,000, or even $100? You're making little profit. Add up together, you're making profit. But trust me, you don't just go into Bybit app and start trading P2P. You have to learn it, and it involves high level of risk because funds is involved. You have to put money in the app before you can get USDT or get any cryptocurrency. So this is a disclaimer for you to know that it is not a get rich scheme. It is not advisable to go into Bybit without proper learning or proper knowledge of how cryptocurrencies operate or how cryptocurrencies work. So if you want the knowledge on this, it is better you contact a financial advisor, a crypto advisor, or an expert. So the final app that we will be talking about is none other app than an app that you know very well. But this app has actually made me a lot of money for a very long time, for the past 3 years, and it's still making me a lot of money. I believe you use this app of every day, but you might not really know how important this app is. So name of the app is Meta Ads, right? Meta Ads. That's the name of the app, and this is the app right here. All right, this is the app right here. Now this app has really made me a lot of money, but I am not going to show to you what I have made from it, but I can show to you what I have actually spent on this app. Now I spent a lot of money here, but not because I spent money or I wanted to spend money, but I spent money here because I was using it to run adverts to sell digital products. Now, this app is called Facebook ads, right? Is Facebook ads. Now, this app enables you to set up campaign, most especially sales campaign. After setting up sales campaign, they market it for you and they push your campaigns or your ads or your products to people that are interested in it, right? So in as much as they push it to people that are interested in it, you will definitely spend one or two so you'll definitely spend some money so that your ads can definitely go far, and then you start making money from this particular ad. Now, as you can see over here, right, I have spent some money here, right? I've spent up to 6 million and some figure, and this is my spending limit, right? So ignore this. This is a business I actually started with small capital, but as time goes on, the business grow up. Now let's go and see how it happens, right? Let's go and see how we're making sales. So as you can see, this one now, this is for today, right? This is for today. This is my reach, and this is the people that this is my impression. Now let's go down and see. This actually is a new advert that I set up. Right now, this one here, as you are seeing here, I've already made 302 sales. All right, 302 sales, and you can see it's showing active. That means the advert is still running. This one also, I've already made 3,100 sales and it's active. That means it's still running and I am still making sales. All right, so I have definitely make a lot of money here. Here you can see 75 website purchases. That means I have made a lot of money. Also here I have made a lot of sales here. So we can scroll down. So most ones that I showed to you here are the ones that were active, and I then did a post to it. As you can see here, right, this is it. As you can see here, this is it. So these are profit I have made. All right, so guys, I actually took my time to actually show you that you can actually make money online by either investment or without an investment. Now, if you're investing, ensure that you learn from people that are like experts that knows how to do it. If they are not expert, do not learn from them. All right, ensure that you should do your own research before you get into this kind of making money online with investment. All right, so guys, I would advise you to go ahead and try. If you want to try the one for investment, ensure that you get a good financial advisor. But if you want to try the one that you can just do it without investing, you go ahead and try it right away and let me know your feedback. Which of them you will want to try? Let me know your feedback among the ones you will want to try. All right, see you in my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Goodbye.